If you are serious about taking your videos to the next level, then good lighting is an easy way to make amazing looking videos, and you don't have to spend a fortune on a good light kit. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my favorite light kit that I've been using while shooting my videos, and those are the GVM 800d, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, tips, and strategies so you can start a YouTube business because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. I've only been using these lights for a few months now, and I've really fallen in love with them. And at the time of shooting this video, I'm still a very small channel, but I wanted to create this video for other beginner YouTubers to show you that we don't have to spend thousands of dollars to get a professional lighting kit to make better videos like the big channels or the Hollywood filmmakers. So I want to walk you through everything about this light kit, the price, the features, how to use them, and everything else you may want to know. The retail price on GVM's website is $130, but at the time of recording this, they are on sale for $100, but all you get is the light, the power cord, and a case. You don't get the light stands, which you will need to use them, and I had some light stands for some other lights that I use, so I didn't need those. On Amazon, they run anywhere from $100 just for the light to $240 for a pack of 2, including stands and a carrying case, or $350 for a pack of 3 with stands and carrying case. And I will leave links down below in the description where you can check out the current prices. The GVM 800d consists of 250 LED lights. So 168 are bicolor, which I will discuss coming up, and 84 are RGB lights. The lights are in this nice aluminum alloy casing as well as this outside bracket that allows you to tilt the lights up and down with the turn of these screws. It has these barn doors that you can take on and off by turning these screws, as well as a diffuser that you can slide in and out. Now, if you missed my other GVM review, which was the GVM 10S, I'll leave a link up above in the card, I talked about the importance of checking the light's CRI rating when you are researching a good light kit to buy. Now, CRI stands for Color Rendering Index, and according to lumens.com, the Color Rendering Index is the measurement of light in relation to how it affects the appearance of color. It's on a scale of 0 to 100, so 0 being the poorest quality, and 100 being the best. And this is important for video creation because you want to make sure whatever you're filming is as clear, as bright, and as close to how they appear in an outdoor natural setting. The GVM 800D's 168 LED beads has a CRI index of 97+, which means you are getting one of the best lighting sources for your video production. 800D's 168 LED beads. That's a mouthful. So let's talk about what bicolor means. Like I said earlier, this light has 168 LED bicolor bulbs, which means it produces a color range starting at 3200 Kelvin all the way up to 5600 Kelvin. But the other 84 light bulbs create another 360 selectable colors that you can use for any purpose you want in your videos or even in your photos for your thumbnails or the background for your videos. It also can simulate 8 different types of scene lights, and I'll show you what those are coming up. Hey, if you're getting value from this video, please hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what type of light kit you use for your video. So looking at the back of this kit, to power this light, you will need to plug in this supplied 15-volt power cord right here. Or you can install 2 lithium batteries into these slots, but keep in mind you will need to purchase those separately. Now, if you're using the battery to turn it on, you just flip this switch to the left, but if you're using the power cord, you flip this switch to the right. It has a really nice LED display that shows you the brightness, the control, and in this case it's set to the color temperature, as well as the mode, and I'll show you what that is coming up. The brightness is controlled by this knob here, and each turn increases or decreases the brightness by 1%. The bicolor control is right here, and it starts at 3200 Kelvin and goes all the way up to 5600 Kelvin, and each turn of the knob increases or decreases the temperature by 100 Kelvin per turn. Now, to control the hue, you press in this button right here, and this takes you to the hue menu. and it starts all the way at 0 or red, all the way around the RGB color wheel back to red. Now, if you want to change the saturation, you press in the button again and you get to the saturation menu. And you can dial it up or down by 5% increments with each turn of the dial. To get to the special scenes, you press this mode button right here until you get to the special light menu. And then you can toggle the 8 different scenes with these arrow buttons. Like the other GVM light kits, you can also use your smartphone to control these lights with the GVM app that you will need to download from the Apple App Store or Android's Google Play Store. Now, setting up the lights to the app takes a little playing around with, and it's not the easiest, but you can remotely control the lights with your smartphone. So with your smartphone, you can adjust the color temperature with this slider right here, the saturation here, and the brightness right here. You can also adjust the hue by sliding around this color wheel right here. Also, like other GVM products, you can connect multiple lights to this, but the 800D is easier than the GVM 10S because you only have to set it up once and it can control multiple lights. I purchased these lights because I wanted a light kit with barn doors so I can direct where the light goes. I also wanted an RGB light that can produce dynamic backgrounds with my white walls so I can have a really interesting background in my videos as well as my thumbnails. When shooting my videos, I use these lights as my main source of light, also known as the key light in the 3-point lighting system. I also use this to shoot my thumbnails if I want to have a color background in them. You can get these lights directly from Great Video Maker, or you can also find them on Amazon.com. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can usually get them in a day or two. And I will leave links down below in the description where you can go check out the current prices. If you want a great versatile light for your YouTube videos or any video you want to create, as well as for your photo shoots, the GVM 800D I think are the best for the price. You won't break the bank on this professional lighting kit. Lighting is one important aspect of creating a great looking video, and if you want to learn the best lighting setup for your YouTube videos, check out my video on the 3-point lighting system that you can use for your videos, and I will leave a link right here so you can go check that out. Or if you don't want to check out that video, go watch this video, and that is a video that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.